Yeah, so now we are going to like learn so let's see. Yeah, so today we are going to learn let me check.
Incremental backup or backup.
Yeah, so already recording is going on. So what we are going to learn Arman today. Okay.
Okay,
So
bye.
Arman is basically used to take the backup of the database physical files.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Physical file in the sense means like you know that whatever the means like we have the file on the server, the physical file of the database. So it will take all those file backup. So physical file in the sense uh like
Data
data
file,
files, okay,
control
control
file,
file,
utility log
archive
files.
log file, SP file, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the file which we have like taking the backup using the R. So
Yes, bye.
there is a two method. There is a two method. One is full backup and second one is incremental backup.
Okay, bye.
Like full backup, what happen if you are going to take the full backup every day? Means like if you are having a very small size of the database, so you can take the full backup every day. Okay. But
Yes.
what it will do, it will use the means like the much space as comparing to incremental. Like if your database size is like 100 GB. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose you are taking a Arman backup. Okay.
Yeah.
Like if you are taking the compressed Arman backups, also you know that compressed means it will reduce the size of the backup.
Yes, bye. Right.
So suppose it reduce the size and 100 GB or directly we are going with the without compressed backup. So like you are taking a full database backup, it means it will take the 100 GB size. Means like your database backup will be the 100 GB. Okay. So
Yes,
suppose
bye.
you have taken a 100 GB size of backup today, then again tomorrow you will take the 100 GB, then day after tomorrow you will take the 100 GB. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, bye.
what's happening? It will be like and also like when you like your full backup script start on the server. So during that Armand backup during the Armand backup time, so it will use your means like resource usage will go high, like your CPU utilization, your memory utilization. So everything go high during the Arman backup. Like for the full backup, if you are running a full backup and it's taking around 1 hour, okay. So
Yes, bye.
next day again, it will run for 1 hour and it will use your resources on the server, and also it will use means like it will use a 100 GB of space again.
Yes, bye.
Means like on every day it's like it's about the 100 GB only. But what happen if your database size is around in TB, in 1
Yes, bye.
TB, 2 TB, 20 TB. So it's
Right
not
now.
possible to take the full backup every day,
Yes, bye. Right.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So there is a second method called the incremental.
Yeah.
So incremental there is a label 0 and label 1. So what happen in label 0? Label 0 means ki, it will take a full backup by today, okay?
Okay.
And then the next day you will take a label 1 backup. So after label 0, you will take a label 1 backup. So what happened? It will not take the full backup. After the label 0 backup, suppose yesterday at 12 o'clock, your label 0 backup, you have taken a label 0 backup. Okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday after 12 o'clock to till today at means like when we are going to start label 1 backup. So till that time, whatever the changes happen in the database, so it
Okay.
will take only those changed block backup. Means whatever the changes happen in the database block, so it will take only those changes backup,
Yes,
means
bhai.
change the block backup only. Like
Okay.
from after the label 0 backup to till today, whatever the transaction or change happen in the database, like it happen only 5 GB of change in
Yeah.
the database. So what it will do, it will take only those changes, and maximum means like we can say if the changes happen for 5 GB, so it will take only 5 GB, 6 GB size of the backup. So your
Okay.
database backup size will be the 5 GB or 6 GB only. Okay.
Okay,
So
bhai.
what happened
Yeah.
here? You means like also it will take a very minimal size,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Suppose your for full backup, it was running for 1 hour, but when we are running for level 1, so what happened? It will check, and after the last level 0 backup till the time of the level 1, whatever the block changed. Okay, so
Yeah.
it will take only those change the block backup only. So
Okay.
it will go around 6 GB, 8 GB, 10 GB. Means it's depend on the transaction. Means like in last 24 hours, whatever the changes happen in your database, it will take only those changes backup.
Yes,
So
bhai.
yeah, so it means suppose the changes happen for 5 GB, 6 GB only. So it will take only the 5 GB, 6 GB backup. So
Okay.
it means hardly in 5 to 10 minutes it will come. Okay. So means
Yeah.
like I am just assuming a time. Means like for 100 GB, if it's taking 1 hour or 2 hour. So for 5 GB, how much time it will take? It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes. So for only 5 to 10 minutes, it will use your resources only. Whatever the things happen means like it will your resources utilization go high only for 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, bhai.
But
Right.
if we are going with the full, so for 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hour, if it's taking to take the full backup of the database and it's taking time around 3 hour, 4 hour, it means for 3 to 4 hours your resources utilization uh, like will
Hi.
be high.
Hi.
But
Right.
when we are going to the level 1, so means like only for 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes, means whatever the time it takes for
Yes.
whatever the changes happen in last 24 hours. So it goes utilization only high for 10 to 15 minutes only. Okay. And hardly it will use the space for 5 to 10 GB only. So where you are taking a full backup and it's using the space around 100 GB, now you are completing a backup with the 5 GB one.
Okay,
Okay.
bhai. Yeah.
So suppose here, as you can see, I have already prepared a chart here.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay. So in incremental, I will tell you the two things also. Also in interview, they have asked this thing like how many types of incremental backup. Okay. So types of incremental means ki he is asking about the level 0. It means ki for differential and cumulative, level 0 is same for both. Okay.
Okay.
When we are going for level 1, so here you need to decide to which way you want to go, either differential, either cumulative.
Okay.
So I will tell you what happened in differential, what happened in cumulative. So by default, if you are running a label 0 backup without any differential keyword or cumulative keyword, you are just giving the label 0. It means by default, you are taking a differential backup. It's a default label 1 backup.
Okay, bhai.
Okay. And
Yeah.
if you want to take a cumulative, then you need to give the cumulative word.
Okay, got it, bhai.
I will show you in the command
Yeah.
how to take the differential, how to take the cumulative. So you just
Okay.
remember, if we are taking a label 0, so
Okay.
it means we are taking a differential backup.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to take the cumulative, it means you need to specify the cumulative word in the command prompt.
Okay, got it, bhai.
Okay. So I
Okay, bhai.
will show you when we will
Yeah.
go to the like on practice level, na, then you will
Yeah.
get the idea. So what
Okay.
is differential, what is cumulative. Here
Okay.
come to the differential backup. So
Okay, bhai.
differential means, as I said, level 0 is same for differential and cumulative. Suppose
Okay.
we have a scheduled level 0 backup on Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
we are taking a L1 backup, means differential element. फिर on Tuesday we are taking a L1. On Wednesday we are taking a L1. On Thursday we are taking a L1. Means like till the Saturday we are taking a L1. And then
Okay.
again on the Sunday your level 0 backup, means your full backup will run.
Okay,
Okay.
bhai.
So after level 0, as I told you, after label 0, whatever the changes happen after label 0 to till label 1 time, so
Yeah.
it will take only those changes backup.
Okay.
Those change the block back. Okay.
Okay.
As you know
Okay.
that means whatever the transaction happen in the database.
Yeah.
Okay. So it saved in the blocks, you
Yes,
know
bhai.
that,
In data file
right?
blocks. Yeah, in data
Yeah,
file you have
data file
blocks.
blocks. So
Yeah.
all the means like, so whatever the changes, if I am saying changes, it means it's something uh change, means like something change happen in your blocks, data
Yes,
file
bhai.
blocks.
Yes, bhai.
Okay. Yeah. So here is the same thing, means like changes means whatever the changes happen after level 0 backup to till level 1 time
Yeah.
backup. So it will take only those backup. Okay. So
Got
suppose
it.
after Sunday to till Monday, only 1 GB changes happen in the database. It will take only 1 GB changes backup. Okay. After that label 1 to next label 1, whatever the changes from Monday to Tuesday happen. So again, in
Okay.
the next level 1 backup, it will take only those changes backup. Means after the Monday level 1, okay,
Yeah,
after
got
the
it, bhai.
Monday level 1 to till Tuesday level 1, whatever the changes happen, so it
Yeah.
will take only those changes backup. It will not go to the label 0 and to till Tuesday, whatever the changes happen in 2 days.
Yeah, got
Means
it.
day by day, whatever the changes happening day by day, so it will take only those changes backup. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So the so the same process, it will follow till the Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay. And then again on Sunday, it will
So
take
take
the
the
full backup.
full backup, level 0 backup.
Yeah, label 0 backup. Then
Yeah.
once on Sunday label 0 backup will be successful, then you can delete all these backup. Whatever the backup happened in previous week, you can
Okay.
delete all those backup.
Yeah, got
Okay.
it.
But if you have only this Sunday label 0 backup,
Okay.
okay, and after that on Saturday you are checking, we are having the label 0 backup, and then after we are having all the label 1 backup. So
Yeah.
you cannot delete any backup till the next full backup.
Got it, bhai.
Okay. So
Yeah,
it
got it.
means ki after this label 0 backup, after this label 0 backup, okay, whatever the level 1 backup will be available on the server, okay, you
Yeah.
cannot delete till the next full backup.
Yes, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
got it.
always remember, if you are having only this level 0 backup, after this level 0 backup, whatever the level 1 backup will be available on the server, you cannot delete till the next level 0 backup.
Yes, bhai.
When the on Sunday your level 0 backup will be successfully completed, then you can remove all the previous week backup,
Yeah,
and you
sure.
can keep the current level 0 backup, which has been like, which will be completed on the Sunday. So you can keep only that backup, and you can delete the Saturday, Friday, Thursday, till the this level 0 backup.
Yeah,
Means
got it.
you can delete the previous backup,
Yeah.
but you are having only this level 0 backup, so you cannot delete till the next level 0 backup.
Yes.
Either you are having only level 1 till the Saturday, so you need to keep all these backup till the next full backup.
Got it,
So
bhai.
always remember, after the level 0 backup, whatever the level 1 backup will be available on the server, okay, it
Yeah.
needed to recover your database till the crash time.
Okay.
Yeah, if you are having, suppose on the Sunday, on the next Sunday, level 0 backup will be happen.
Yes.
It means we are having the next matlab Sunday level 0 backup. So we can delete this backup because we are having all the data in the Sunday
Yes.
backup, level
Yeah.
0 backup. Okay. So we are having all the data in the level 0 backup. And then again on the Monday, it will take the backup of level 1. It will take the backup of level on Tuesday. It will take the level 1 backup. Then again Wednesday, it will take the level 1 backup. So what happening? We are having a full data backup in the Sunday level 0 backup. Okay. And then after, from Sunday to Monday, whatever the changes happen, so we are having that backup in the Monday level 1 backup. Okay.
Yes.
And after Monday to Tuesday, whatever the changes happen, we are having those backup in the Tuesday level 1 backup.
Yes.
So you understood what I mean?
Yeah, understand, bhai.
Means we are
So,
having the full backup in the level 0, and
yeah.
whatever the changes in 24-hour happening, we are having all those backup in the level 1 backup only.
Yes, bhai.
Yeah, you are asking something.
Got it, bhai. In our company also, every day by around 8 evening time, 8, 11, 10 o'clock, incremental backup is happening every day, level 1. And
Hmm.
every Saturday, level 0 backup is happening. In month end, we are taking complete full backup of the entire month.
Hmm.
Like that is
So
going on.
full backup means ki, your full database backup. Full
Yes, bhai.
database means ki, whole database backup.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. Yeah.
And incremental means ki we are giving, means like if we are giving the level 0, it means it's also a full backup.
Yeah, got
Okay.
it, bhai. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
But we are applying a type of RMN backup where, means like after this, if you are running a full backup command, so you will
Yeah.
not go with the level 1 backup.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Then
Yeah, got it.
again, you need to go to the full backup only. You cannot go with the level 1, means like
Okay.
you cannot apply this incremental backup scenario in the full backup.
Okay, okay, bhai.
But when we are going with the incremental backup, then
Yeah.
here using the level 0, we can take a full backup in a week, and the next 6 days we can take a level 1 backup. So
Yes, bhai.
here
Right.
we are saving the space on the server.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so
Yes, right.
space crunch issue you will not face on the server. If suppose you are having a backup drive only with the 700 GB, okay, or
Yeah.
600 GB, okay,
Yes.
and your database size, suppose your database size is 100 GB. So on
Yeah.
Sunday you are taking a full backup, means like the backup size is 100 GB. On Monday again it will be 100 GB. Tuesday again it will be 100 GB. On the Friday you will get the space crunch issue. So where you
Yes.
will keep your Saturday backup? Okay. So
Yeah, right.
that's why we use the label zero backup. So on Sunday only you will take a 100 GB backup, but
Yeah,
on Tuesday you will have only 2 GB or 3 GB or 5 GB of backup.
right, right.
On Tuesday again you will have only 5, 3 GB, 4 GB, 5 GB. Means till the Saturday you are having only the 30 GB. Either
Right.
we can say the 50 GB.
Yeah.
Okay. So means the total 7 days backup size is maximum 150 or 160 GB.
Yes, bhai.
Yeah. So what happened here? We are saving the space. We are saving the space on the server. We are saving the time. We are saving the like uh, 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 means like resources utilization on the server.
Yes, bhai, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, so we talk about the differential. Differential means whatever the changes happening after the last backup. Either it may be the full backup, either it may be the level one backup.
Yeah.
When I am talking about in incremental, when I am talking about full means I am talking about the level zero. Okay.
Yeah.
So differential means whatever the changes happen after the last backup,
Yeah, right.
and that last backup, it may be the level zero backup, either level one backup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
So whatever the changes happen after that last backup till the current backup time, so it will take only those changes backup. Okay.
Yes. Yes, I
So
got
it
it.
may be either level zero, it may be either level one. Okay.
Yeah.
When and will now we are going to see
Cumulative
the
backup.
cumulative.
Yeah.
So what happened? As I told you, the label zero is same for the differential and for the cumulative.
Yes.
Okay. So on Monday, suppose we are taking a label one cumulative backup. So after label zero to till the Monday label one, whatever the changes happen, it will take only those backup. Okay.
Yeah.
But when we will go to the Tuesday and running the label one cumulative,
Yeah.
so after the label zero, whatever the changes happen after the label zero to till Tuesday, it will take those backup.
Yeah.
Means from the Sunday to Monday and Monday to Tuesday,
Yes.
whatever the changes happen in last 2 days, it will take the all 2 days backup.
Yes, bhai, right.
Okay. And when we will go to the Wednesday and run again the label one cumulative, so
Yeah.
whatever the changes happen after the label zero to till Wednesday label one, it will take all these 3 days backup in the Wednesday label one.
Yeah, right.
So you are understanding what I am saying?
Yeah, understanding, bhai. Understanding.
Yeah.
So
So means
differential is taking only day-wise backup. Example, Sunday full backup is happened.
yeah,
Level
in
zero.
last 24 hours, means
Ah,
after the last backup, either it may be
yeah,
the
right.
label zero, either it may be the label.
Yeah, right.
So after the last backup, whatever the changes happen till the time, it will take
Yeah,
only those backup. But when
those
we
backup.
go to the cumulative,
Yeah, bhai.
okay, so
Yeah.
it will take a backup, whatever the changes happen after the label zero,
Yes, yes.
last label zero backup, whatever the changes happen in the database, it will
Yeah,
take all those changes backup. So
right.
what happening, like here in differential, what's happening, like after Sunday to Monday, suppose 1 GB changes happen, so it will take only 1 GB backup. After
Yes.
Monday to Tuesday, suppose 1 GB changes happen, so it will take
Yeah,
only 1 GB of backup. Means
backup.
what
Right.
happened here, we have taken 1 GB backup, here we have taken 1 GB backup, here we have taken 1 GB backup.
Yes.
Okay. But in cumulative, what happens? Suppose from Sunday to Monday, if 1 GB changes happen in the database, it will take the 1 GB backup. Okay.
Yeah,
After the Monday to Tuesday, only 1 GB changes happen. But when we are running the L1 cumulative,
yeah.
then after Sunday to Monday changes happen for 1 GB, Monday to Tuesday changes happen for 1 GB. So it will take 2 GB of backup.
Yes, right.
Okay. And
Yeah, got it.
Wednesday, it apply the same. Like after the Sunday 1 GB, Monday to Tuesday 1 GB, Tuesday to Wednesday 1 GB. Means on Wednesday, it will take the 3 GB size of the backup.
Yeah, bhai, right.
Means whatever the changes, like the 3 GB changes happen in the 3 days, it will take all 3 days backup.
Yes, bhai, right.
Okay.
Got it, bhai.
So here what happened? Here what I said, like after the label 0, whatever the backups available on the server, you cannot delete till the next label 0. In
Yes, sir.
cumulative, what happened? If you have the label 0 backup, and if your Wednesday label 1 cumulative will be successful, then you can delete the Monday and Tuesday backup.
Yeah, got it, bhai.
Because already we will get all the changes in the Wednesday backup. After the label 0, whatever the changes happen from Sunday to Monday, Monday to Tuesday, till the Wednesday label 1. So it will take all those backup. Means we are having all 3 days details in the label 1, Wednesday label 1 cumulative backup.
Yes, bhai,
So
right.
you can delete if you by mistakenly deleted the Monday and Tuesday backup and you are having the cumulative Wednesday label 1 backup. So it's sufficient to recover your database because
Yes,
you
bhai.
are already having the label 0 backup and you are having the label 1 cumulative
Cumulative.
of Wednesday. So
Yeah,
till the Wednesday, you can easily recover using your label 0, last label 0 to Wednesday label 1.
yes, bhai,
Okay.
right. Right.
Yeah. So it's happen same on the till the Saturday.
Saturday. Saturday. So
Okay.
in the
Yeah.
meanwhile, we can remove the Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday because we have
Yeah.
cumulative backup is there.
Yeah. So if you have a label 0 backup and if you have the label 1 cumulative on Saturday,
Yeah,
successful backup, so you
yeah,
can remove backup from Monday to Friday.
yeah.
Okay. Because you are
Because
having the Saturday L1
yeah,
cumulative and you are having the label 0. But
got
always
it.
remember, after the label 0 backup,
Right.
till the next label 0 backup, you need whatever the backup you have on the server. You have on the server, incremental backup, whatever the incremental backup you have on the server, till the next label 0, you need all those backup.
Okay, bhai.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in cumulative, you can keep your label 0 and you can keep your last successful cumulative label 1 by.
Got it, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah, understand.
So when I am talking about the last label 1 cumulative, it may be suppose your database is like you are having a cumulative successful cumulative L1 backup of Thursday and before the Friday L1 cumulative your database got crashed. So in
Right.
that scenario, what you need? You need your last label 0 backup and before the crash time, whatever the backup available on the server, whatever it means cumulative label 1 backup available on the server. So in
Yes, bhai,
the
right.
company environment, means like nobody is going with the cumulative. Maximum company means if the company is using the differential backup, so mostly company is using uh, the differential one, not the cumulative.
Yes, bhai, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you understood what I mean the differential, what I mean the cumulative.
Yeah, understand, bhai. Clearly,
Yeah.
clear now.
Also, I have written here the like you can see in the document
Ah,
which I
yes,
have
bhai.
shared. So
Yeah.
you can see the that means like detail in the document. So in
Right, bhai.
differential here you can see default type of incremental backup that backups all block change after the most recent incremental backup
Yes,
at
yes.
either label 1 or label 0.
Yes, bhai,
Right?
right.
So
Right.
it may be the last recent incremental backup, it may be the label 0, either may be the label 1. So
Yes,
after
bhai.
the most recent incremental backup till the current time, whatever the changes happen in the database, it will take only those backup. Okay.
Yes, right.
And when we talk about the cumulative backups, all blocks change after the most recent backup at label 0.
Yes, right.
Here I did not mention the label 1 because it will always look from the label 0 1. If we
Okay.
are running a cumulative command, okay, so it will look the most recent label 0 backup one. So most
Yes.
recent label 0 backup from the that label 0 backup to till the time, whatever the changes, it may be the 4 days or it may be the 5 days changes happen
Right.
in the backups. It will take all those days backup in the cumulative label.
Right.
Okay.
Got it.
So this is the mean, the cumulative, and this is the mean, the difference. Also,
Yeah.
I have given the full backup. Full backup means what is the full backup? Full backup is the complete backup for all file on the designated or designated hard drive. Means
Yes.
like the on the OS level, whatever the files is available which is related to the Oracle database. Okay,
Yeah.
it will take all those file backup, the physical file backup. Okay,
Yes.
and incremental and differential already I told you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Explain.
so you
Understand.
can see the document, you will get the idea. Also, I will tell you here, like you can see the interview question. So what happens when you will go to the interview? So interviewer will ask, is suppose on Sunday I have a level 0 backup. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, on Sunday I have a level 0 backup. On Monday I have a differential level 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
On Tuesday I have a cumulative level 1.
Okay.
Okay. On
Yeah.
Wednesday I have a differential level 1. On
Okay.
Thursday, I have a cumulative level 1. And on
Okay.
Friday, suppose at 5 o'clock in the second shift or at 5 p.m., my DB get crashed.
Okay.
So what backup you need to recover your database?
Okay.
Which backup you need to be recover your database?
So according to this scenario, the Thursday we taken a cumulative L1 backup.
So your answer should be like, first, we need a Sunday label 0 backup. Don't forget to include the Sunday
Ah.
label 0 backup. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Your answer is absolutely correct. Cumulative label 1.
Okay. So along with we have to take this full backup which is happened on the last Sunday, include that one also,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So firstly, you need to give your answer like we need a Sunday label 0 backup, and then
Yeah.
after, as we know that the after label 0 to till the Thursday cumulative label 1, whatever the changes happen in the database, so
Yeah.
we are having all those changes detail in the Thursday label 1 cumulative backup.
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
so it means ki we need a label 0, Sunday label 0 backup, and we need a cumulative L1 backup. And
Yeah.
after the cumulative, till the crash time, whatever the archive log has been generated on the server, we need all those archive logs.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
because suppose your cumulative has been completed 4 a.m. morning on Thursday, right? And your
Right.
database will be crashed on Friday 5 p.m.
Right.
It means we have, after cumulative level 1, we have around 13-hour backup in
Yeah.
between after the cumulative L1 until the crash time. We are having the 13-hour gap.
Yeah.
So
Gap
in
is there.
that 13-hour gap, whatever the changes happen in the database, so where we will get those details? We will get those details in the archive logs,
Yeah. Archaeologs.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, as you know that already I have explained in the architecture. The
Ah. Yes.
archive log basically used for the your database point in time recovery.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it basically used for the point in time recovery. Means till the crash time, you can recover your database using that archive log. Archive log in the sense, it's a type of a backup. We can say it's a type of a backup,
Yeah, right.
right? Yeah. So this is the full backup, and this is the like label 0 and label 1 differential and cumulative.
Yes,
Okay.
got it.
Yeah. So these are the backup scenario. And as you can see, this is the document. Okay. And as you can see, this is the differential. We are taking the differential backup. So here
Yeah.
you can see, I am not giving any word here. I am just giving, I have taken the backup incremental label 0 database. It
Yes.
means I have taken the full database backup when we are using the label 0 database. Okay.
Yeah.
But when we are using the backup incremental label 1 database only, it
Okay.
means we are taking the differential by default.
Yeah, definitely. Understand.
Okay. But
Yeah.
if you want to take a cumulative, then you need to give backup incremental label 1 cumulative database.
Right.
After label 1, I am not using any differential or cumulative one. So as I told you, by default, if you are not using any key related to differential or cumulative, any word like this, it means by default you are taking a differential backup. But
Yeah.
if you want to take the cumulative, then you need to give the cumulative word here.
Yes, right. Cumulative database.
Backup incremental label 1 cumulative data.
Yeah, right.
It means we are taking a cumulative incremental backup.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
also I have given some like key here, like what happened. So you can read this document also.
Yeah, but
It's
I have
like I
document also.
have written as per my comfort, whatever
Yeah,
like I have faced or I have realized
got
in
it.
my career. So I have written only all those things here.
My
Okay.
full
So if
backup.
you will read this thing now, so you will get the more idea
Got it.
what I mean. But
Yeah, sure.
already I have explained you in the chart here
Yeah,
what is
clear.
the differential and what is the cumulative.
Sure, I
Also, I
understand.
have written some word here like what is the differential on Sunday full database, on Monday all change files since Sunday, on Tuesday all changed files since Monday. Okay.
Yes,
So
backup.
like it goes till the Saturday, same like this. We all
Right.
change files since Monday. In cumulative, what happened? We have taken a full backup on Sunday. On Monday, all change since files since Sunday.
Okay.
On Tuesday, when we are going on Tuesday with the cumulative, it means all change files since Sunday, including Monday change file.
Yes, right.
So including Monday change file, it means on Tuesday, we are taking the 2 days backup.